Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're talking about the Resideo RWD21 Reusable Water Leak Alarm, hands down, the best water leak detector you can get. If you're someone who's worried about potential water damage in your home, this might just be the solution you've been searching for. Water damage is one of the most expensive and preventable types of household damage. Whether it's from burst pipes, leaks under the sink, or a broken water heater, the Resideo RWD21 is here to give you peace of mind. This compact, reusable water leak detector is designed to alert you at the first sign of water, and it's loud enough to ensure you hear it. So, let's get into the specifics. The RWD21 is a simple yet effective device. Once it detects water as shallow as 1/16 of an inch deep, the alarm will trigger. It's not just a notification you'll get, it's an 85 decibels audible alert, which is loud enough to catch your attention immediately. The best part? It runs on a 9 volts battery and can last up to 2 years. No need for constant charging or replacing batteries frequently. Unlike many other detectors, this one is reusable. Once the alarm goes off, simply dry it off and place it back in the same spot, ready to detect the next potential leak. And don't worry about spending more money on additional sensors. The Resideo RWD21 offers excellent value by protecting multiple areas in your home, including kitchens, bathrooms, basements, and laundry rooms. You can place it near high-risk areas like water heaters, toilets, or sump pumps. Its versatility and affordability make it a great choice for anyone wanting to protect their home from expensive water damage. For those of you concerned about installation, this detector is incredibly easy to use. Just place it on the floor or a surface where water may accumulate, and you're all set. No complex installation process, just set it up, and the alarm is ready to go. And, if you're wondering about its durability, rest assured that the Resideo RWD21 is built to last. It's not only designed to resist water, but it's also lightweight and compact, making it easy to place anywhere without being bulky. Plus, it's backed by a 1-year warranty, so you're covered if anything goes wrong. In conclusion, the Resideo RWD21 Reusable Water Leak Alarm is the perfect addition to your home safety toolkit. It's affordable, easy to use, and incredibly reliable. Whether you're in a flood-prone area or just want to prevent unexpected leaks, this device provides a simple and effective solution. Stay ahead of leaks before they turn into a costly disaster. Thanks for watching this review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon, so you won't miss out on more product reviews and recommendations. Stay safe and protect your home from water damage today.